Hi, myself Sanjeev Sanghi. I'm a chartered accountant. I qualified in 1998 and have almost, I guess, 13 years of experience in accounting and taxation. Uh, it has been a long journey in this last 13 years where we started with just two-seaters to the position where we have almost 35 people working in our company, and everyone is dedicated and motivated to do whatever they can. Like we have been working on accounting for US client, basically knowledge process outsourcing, where we do payroll, sales tax, bank reconciliations, and taxation for our overseas CPA firms. Apart from that, we gained the trust of the client, and we started a division of IT, information technology, where we had got a bunch of software programmers and designers who are working on Java and MySQL. That's all I can know about so far as IT is concerned. And then recently, in last 1 year, we have developed another domain on the insurance, where we are doing the valuation of insurance policies, for the persons who want to sell those policies. So the entire process related work for that particular domain is done by our team, and they all are dedicated into this. As a passion, I also do a lot of accounting and taxation for our Indian clients, and we do audit and statutory audit for them. But on the totality, my experience and specialization is to win the confidence of the client. Their appreciation is like a good digest for me. When the client really feels that they are satisfied and they feel that they are in safe hand, that's what this company's goal and motto is all about. And I really look forward to work with people who have who give us challenge and who really want us to get their work done in the best and long term. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Rahul Dasgupta. I'm presently working over here as a senior software engineer. I'm presently leading this IT department in this organization. We are handling various kinds of projects over here, various kinds of CRM and ERPs. We work on various domains over here, from Java to classical ASPs. We handle them with great expertise, knowledge. So far as the work procedures that we followed over here is we gathered the resources from the client, we analyze them, and then we try to build the logical development of those modules and things. So let me give you an overview of our team.
Hi, I am Sumanto. I am an MCA. I have around 2.6 year experience in IT department. Now I work here as assistant software developer. Currently we are doing a CRM based project, and our role is to develop the business module and business logic as per client requirement. Actually we work on Java and MySQL. There are lots of opportunity to work in their project, and really we continue work on this project to deliver a good and quality based product. That's all.
Hi, I'm Onno. I'm an MCA and I have 1.5 years of experience. I'm working here on Java MySQL technology, and it's very good to work here, and I have many scope to implement my thinking on these projects, and here all projects are very interesting, and my responsibilities now includes the handling user interfaces and business logic, developing business logics, and handling database also. Thank you.
Hi, I am Mithun. I'm working here as a web designer. Presently, I'm working in a CRM project. That's a great project. There, I'm using generally HTML and CSS. I'm learning there from that. There's lots of knowledge from there.
Abhishek, I'm a BTech graduate. I'm working in the IT department here, and my job here involves developing the core business logic using Java and Advanced Java.
Good afternoon, this is Atanu Sinha. I completed Bachelor of Computer Application in 2011. I am a fresher. This is my first company, and here I get a lot of opportunity to learning, and I am very excited those working on those insurance and other projects, and my role in this company is Associate Software Engineer. Here I am mainly working on ASP and SQL Server platform, and I love to working on the IT industry, and also I am looking those hardware and networking devices in our organization. Thank you.
I am Ashish Barman. I am a web designer in this organization. I have 2 years working experience. I am also a Flash, HTML, CSS, Java and jQuery developer, and also our team member is all working with the computer, and all these lot of things I have knowledge there here. And that's all. Thank you.
Hi, I am Ali. I have a senior web designer working in this organization. I have overall 6 year experience and more than 3 assistant designers. They are very hard worker and sincere and dedicated. That's all.
Hi, I am Somnath. I am a web designer by profession. Designing is my passion because I think it is dream. I want to build up my future as a web developer. My company gives me an opportunity to build up my future. Thank you.